Hello everyone, this is Aisha and welcome to our 17th Kotlin tutorial, and in this tutorial I'll be talking about the null references in Kotlin programming language. So this is a quick tutorial about the null safety that is provided by Kotlin programming language. So while giving you the overview of Kotlin programming language in the first tutorial, I told you guys that Kotlin provides null safety. So what this null safety means, it means that Kotlin doesn't allow you to assign any null reference to a variable of any data type. For example, if here I have a variable a of integer type and I want to assign null to this variable, then I will get an error, and you can see here that null is underlined. This is because integer variable or integer data type is a non-nullable type and it cannot have null references. So the data types that cannot hold null references are called the non-nullable data types, and the data types that can hold the null references are called the nullable types. So how you can make this integer data type a nullable type? You can make this a nullable type by putting a question mark here. So now you can see everything is fine. So integer is now a nullable reference. By using this question mark, we have made this data type a nullable reference which can store null in it. Now again, if I use the string data type and I want to assign null to this data type, and you can see here that we have an error. So this is because string is also a non-nullable reference which cannot store any null value. So you can make it a nullable reference by using a question mark here, and you can see everything is fine. But even using this question mark, you cannot access the properties of string. For example, we cannot use the for example, let's take an example here. Print line a dot, and I'm going to access the property length of the string function. So now here you can see that we have an error. This is because we have assigned a null value to our data type. Even the data type is a nullable reference, still you cannot use this property. So guys, that's it for this tutorial, and in the next tutorial I will tell you about the safe calls and how you can use the if expression to avoid these types of errors. Thank you guys for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.